Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE, a luxury SUV that blends innovation, elegance, and performance into one impressive package. Mercedes has refined this midsize SUV to appeal to drivers who crave both comfort and cutting-edge technology, and the 2026 model takes things up another notch. From the outside, the GLE keeps its sleek, powerful stance but with a few modern touches. The updated front fascia features a more aggressive grille design and sharper LED headlights, giving it a bolder look. New wheel options and refreshed taillights round out the subtle yet effective styling updates. It's still instantly recognizable, but with a fresh edge that hints at what's under the hood. Speaking of performance, the GLE lineup continues to offer a range of powertrains to suit different needs. Whether you go for the efficient turbocharged 4-cylinder in the GLE 350 or the punchier inline 6 with mild hybrid tech in the GLE 450, you're getting smooth power delivery and refined driving dynamics. And if you're after serious performance, the AMG variants like the GLE 53 and GLE 63S bring turbocharged muscle and track-capable handling to the mix. Inside, the cabin is where Mercedes really flexes its luxury muscles. The 2026 GLE features the latest version of the MBUX infotainment system, complete with twin 12.3-inch displays, enhanced voice control, and seamless smartphone integration. The materials are top-tier, with available Nappa leather, real wood trims, and ambient lighting that creates a true first-class experience. Seating is spacious and supportive, with available options like massage functions and heated armrests. Technology and safety remain a strong focus, with a full suite of driver assistance features standard or available. Adaptive cruise control, active lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system make the GLE as smart as it is stylish. And for families or adventurers, the optional third-row seat and generous cargo space keep it practical too. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE doesn't just keep up with the luxury SUV competition, it sets the pace. With its blend of comfort, power, and tech, it's easy to see why it continues to be a top pick in its segment. Thanks for watching Rolling Legends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more legendary rides.